Hello, everyone. For today, we will be having a review for your speaking test. I am Teacher Kelly. How are you today? What is your English name? How old are you? Where do you live? On this part of your test, you will look at the pictures and describe them. So let's describe sign 1. You will repeat after me. You mustn't eat here. You mustn't eat here. Your turn. Very good. Sign 2. You must wash your hands. You must wash your hands. Your turn. Very good. Sign 3. You must turn off your mobile phone. You must turn off your mobile phone. Your turn. Next. Sign 4. You mustn't swim here. You mustn't swim here. Your turn. In this part of the test, we will find the differences between picture A and picture B. Let's start. There weren't any buses 200 years ago. There weren't any buses 200 years ago. Your turn. Very good. There were lots of motorbikes 50 years ago. There were lots of motorbikes 50 years ago. Your turn. Very good. There weren't any cars 200 years ago. There weren't any cars 200 years ago. Your turn. Very good. There were lots of trains 50 years ago. There were lots of trains 50 years ago. Your turn. Very good. There weren't any planes 200 years ago. There weren't any planes 200 years ago. Your turn. Well done, students. The last part of your test is we will describe the picture. Let's start. She had short hair when she was 2 years old. She had short hair when she was 2 years old. Your turn. Very good. She had long hair when she was 8 years old. She had long hair when she was 8 years old. Your turn. Very good. She was short when she was 2 years old. She was short when she was 2 years old. Your turn. Very good. She was tall when she was 8 years old. She was tall when she was 8 years old. Your turn. Very good. She was shy when she was 2 years old. She was shy when she was 2 years old. Your turn. Next. She was friendly when she was 8 years old. She was friendly when she was 8 years old. Your turn. Well done, students. That's all for today. See you next time.